I'm gonna do a quick test of the cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner. In this case it is a Roidmi Neo, and I want to show you what is the point of this. So I didn't clean this part for days, and I want to show you that there is a lot of traces of footsteps and so on. It is quite dirty. I got a torch to help me show you. So as you can see, there is a lot of these traces. They are really visible with bare eye in live, but on the camera it is a bit harder to see. But it is quite, as you can see on these reflections, on every spot there is a trace. On some places it is really catastrophic. So this is a Roidmi Neo. I will put it in the refreshing mode, which is basically a mopping mode with cleaned water. It is a process, it uses electricity to create a densification solution. There is explanation for that. I will put a link down below how it works. The science behind it is real, it is not a gimmick, but I don't really have a way to test if it destroys bacteria or something like that. Anyway, you can probably see on the reflection how dirty the floor is. You see those footsteps on that part there where the reflection is. We will see if this cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner can clean that. Let's turn it on. The blue light is blinking, and the refreshing process is actually the creation of a densification solution is in the process. Okay, let's start. I will do a bit stronger wipe in overall this part of area, because it is really dirty. I didn't clean for days because I really wanted to do a realistic test. See how it is cleaning. It looks promising. Anyway, I'm concentrating on this area here. And a pro tip: if you have a wet and dry cleaner like this, and if you want to mop and don't destroy your mopping, you always want to avoid stepping on the wet area. I mean, it is a common sense, but it is kind of tricky when you start using it, because you need to go backwards. Anyway, I think this is enough, really. I just want to do a final polish to this area, and later when I finish with the video, I'm gonna so with my bare eye I see that basically it removed everything, all debris which has been there. Okay. It is wet right now, there is that shine. Let it dry it and we will get back to see our final result. Okay, everything is dry right now, and I want you to focus on this reflection. You probably can see that there are no smudges or footsteps from my footwear. It was really sloppy and full of everything. It is really, the shine is really not perfect because this is old floor, laminate floor, and it is not really this. This is a drop of water, nothing major, but overall it really shines. And here you can see that really there is no smudges or everything. Really pristine. Okay, I will now finish the room. The main point of this video was that until I got this, I wasn't really aware that there is a solution like this for vacuuming and mopping at the same time. This is really something that I wasn't aware that I needed until I got it, and love on first sight happened. With this 2-in-1 wet and dry cordless vacuum stick, it really helps me to do the job professionally, but in easiest possible way. Usually before, I would use my cordless vacuum to vacuum the floors, and after that I would do a manual mop. This is the case when the floors are really dirty. Robot vacuum, which will do the job pretty well, but not perfectly. It just doesn't have enough power, especially if the mops are not rotating. It doesn't have enough power to clean those stubborn smudges, and just look at this. My sandals in the home, they have these pores, and if there is something wet on the floor and if I step in it, instant smudge, really strong, and when it dries out, it is catastrophic. This handles that perfectly. Robot vacuum, depends. If I let it run a few times, it will clean it. If I let it run once, it is not enough. So basically, my conclusion is that this is really good device, and I mean, I didn't try different models. I have this Roidmi Neo, and it is, I really liked it. So I hope this video you find helpful. If you have any comment, experience, opinion, please share it down in the comment box. Please consider subscribing. It really means a lot to me. And until next time, see you.